Fee clarity made easy. Use a fee and expense disclosure template. Welcome. Today we're making fees simple, transparent, and stress-free. Clear fees build trust because readers know exactly what they're agreeing to, and they're more likely to comply with payment terms. The opposite is risky. Hidden costs feel like a trap and damage credibility fast, especially with professional clients who notice small details. A good template removes guesswork and personal bias. Instead of inventing wording every time, you follow consistent prompts that ensure nothing important gets missed. By the end, you'll be able to present fees confidently, avoid misunderstandings, and protect both your reputation and your client relationships. Here's the structure that keeps everything clean. Include 5 sections: fees, expenses, timing, examples, and notes. Use consistent headings so readers can scan quickly, and rely on plain language prompts like, "What is this fee for?" or "When is it charged?" to guide your writing. Leave space for totals, ranges, and assumptions so your numbers stay credible. With this format, you can quote complex projects without confusion. Clients see the logic, can verify the math, and understand what's fixed, what's variable, and what depends on their choices. Precision starts with a one-line definition. Name the fee and its purpose. For example, project setup fee covers kickoff and configuration. Then state the amount, unit, and frequency. $500 flat, charged once. Or $120 per hour, billed weekly. Finally, explain when it applies and when it doesn't. Applies to new projects only, waived for renewals, or hourly rate capped at 20 hours unless scope expands in writing. This removes ambiguity, prevents bill shock, and gives your client a fair way to predict costs. Keep expenses out of the fee list to avoid confusion. Provide pass-through costs with typical ranges, like stock images, $15 to $60 each. Clarify who pays, who sets the price, and why it varies. Paid directly by the client. Vendor pricing fluctuates by license. Clearly flag rare or one-time charges, such as rush courier fee, one time if same-day delivery is required. Separating fees from expenses helps clients see what you control, what vendors control, and how choices affect the final bill. Spell out when fees are charged, before, during, or after delivery. For example, 50% deposit before work starts, balance on delivery, or subscription charged monthly on the 1st. Describe triggers that change pricing, scope adjustments, currency movements, or extra approvals. Example: rate is capped at the quoted amount unless scope changes in writing. International payments are adjusted for currency at bank rate. Explain refund and cancellation rules plainly. Deposit refundable within 7 days. After kickoff, non-refundable, but unused hours are credited. Numbers tell the clearest story. Provide low/typical/high scenarios so clients see the range. Use simple, round numbers and units to keep it readable. Design: 10 hours x $100 equals $1,000. Show the full picture with subtotal, taxes, and grand total. Subtotal $1, $600 plus tax $160 equals $1, $760. Examples reduce anxiety, expose any gaps, and invite smart questions before work begins. When your math is visible, clients focus on value instead of guessing what the invoice will look like. Choose words that make commitments clear. Prefer verbs like charged, capped, and waived because they show firm rules. Avoid vague terms like about, might, and etc. They create doubt and invite disputes. Define important terms up front. Retainer: prepaid amount applied to future work. Out of pocket, costs paid to third parties and reimbursed by the client. Net 30, payment due 30 days from invoice date. Tight language signals professionalism and protects both sides if questions arise later. Before you hit send, run this quick audit. 1. All fees named and defined with amounts, units, and frequency. 2. Expenses separated from fees, with ranges, and who pays. 3. Timing clear plus triggers, refunds, and cancellation rules in plain language. 4. Examples included with low/typical/high and clean math. 5. Totals match across sections and the wording is consistent and simple. If you can check every box, you've built transparency, reduced risk, and made it easy for clients to say yes